Hello, my dear viewers, an easy step to English grammar. Similar in sound but different in meaning. Cheek, 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 both sides of the face. CHICK, cheek, a young bird or a young woman. Heel, 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 that is the back part of human foot, that is heel. HEAL, heel. Heel means cure an injury or a wound. Spring, a season just before summer. Spring, SPRING, leap or jump. Another, flower, FLOWER, that is blossom. Blossom, BLOSSOM. Flower, FLOUR, that is powder made from grains or powder ground into grains. Powder ground into grains or ground from grains. Okay, waist, 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 part of human body just above hips but below the ribs. And waist, WAST, waist, used extravagantly. Thanking all of you. Goodbye. Stay safe, stay mellow. Like, comment, share and subscribe too, because it's a very important video for competitive examinations.